So, Alessntials looked at every random gadget ad on the internet and said, what if we put all of them in one store and made your scam radar do jumping jacks?
Let's go.
Alessntials presents itself as an online shopping site for gadgets, tools, phone accessories, home security, outdoor lighting, appliances, and other why did this pop up in my feed products. The site also shows discounts, free shipping over a certain amount, and customer support contact details. On paper, the store looks like a bargain hunter's playground. You'll see things like portable cameras, power tools, bug zappers, dryer vent kits, smart doorbells, flashlights, and random home gadgets wearing big discount tags like they just escaped a clearance aisle. But here is the issue: a store can look professional and still be risky. Now, customer reviews are all over the place. Trustpilot shows hundreds of reviews for m.alessentials.com, with some buyers praising easy ordering, helpful support, and products that arrived as expected. But there are also complaints about delayed delivery, missing products, refund problems, and people saying they paid but never received their item. That is not smooth shopping, that is customer service side quest unlocked. But hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't perfect actually. Something is waving a red flag with both hands. Scam Advisor gives m.alessentials.com an extremely low trust score and mentions hidden owner identity, low traffic rank, negative reviews, and a registrar popular among scammers. Gridinsoft also flags the site as a suspicious shop with a very low trust score. BBB Scam Tracker has complaints involving orders allegedly never delivered and no response from support. Final verdict: Alessntials might deliver for some buyers, but the risk signals are too loud to ignore. I would not buy casually. Use extreme caution, avoid debit cards, check return terms, and maybe choose a trusted retailer instead. Cheap gadgets are fun, missing money is not. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.